3 site supervisors. 62 years of combined experience, all gone in 6 months. The client said to me, "We didn't see it coming." Of course they didn't. They weren't watching. Here is what the exit interviews didn't ask. What would have kept you here? What did you need that you didn't get? Who saw you? Question 1. What is the hardest part of your job that no one sees? Question 2. What would make you stay another 5 years? Question 3. Who do you trust? Ask these questions before they leave, not after. Link to my full case study in the description.
So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so I can pop up in your feed occasionally with a great tip for your ultimate growth.